Hello everyone, my name is Gustavo, but you can call me Gus. And today is a very special day, my friend, just because we're playing BattleBit, but not normal BattleBit. Remember when it launched and it was sick? I thought they retired from this shit. Turned out they were working through 2 years to bring up Operation Overhaul. This is a test period of 3 hours and we're going to be playing it, and let's see if it actually improved as much as people are saying it did. And I'm very curious, so let's go. I got in a random server. Everything's gonna be full. Live, laugh, roadkill. My friend, this is gonna be interesting. Mesa. Oh shit. I like the roleplay, so let's see if we can get some people with good mics. Do some good plays, some fun and interesting things. Here we go, motherfuckers. Holy shit. Oh my god, it looks so much better. Okay, let's first check the gun. Straight up, a lot more detail. I can already tell. Like the floor, the car. What the fuck is this? Shit! Oh. Okay, let's go. Oh, I did get the skin. Look at this. Is this motion blur? I'm sorry, guys, but I just cannot with motion blur. Wait. Oh, yes! The sound is much better. Before it sounded like... Oh my god, it's so much better. Jesus. I have to put attachments as well, right? Come on, boys. Haven't heard anyone. Oh, you can open doors now. Hello, my friends. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Let's go. Into the battle. Let's make some crazy plays. I want to see a game at night, because it feels like lighting is so much better. Jeez, I can't even run this on Ultra. Look at the lights on them. Come on, boys. Don't be afraid. Jeez, I'm lagging hard. I don't think I can run this on Ultra, guys. Shit. Did I just say it's gonna be okay? Shit, you're welcome, man. Shut up, Mr. Clean. You're dying today. Building, right? I thought there was someone here. There isn't. Oh. Okay, it's a little bit weird. Nade! Okay, they spotted me. Man, the skin that I'm holding. What's... Yo, chill. Reap, what are you doing, man? Oh, shit. There you go. I need to customize the character as well. I forgot about that. Oh my god, how many people am I gonna revive today? Fuck you! Oh, there is an enemy. Holy shit. Yo, it's way better. Holy fuck. Kokoma Power Guido. That means... big dick in Portuguese, crazy enough. Okay, I have a feeling it's taking a little too long. Oh shit, I thought it was an enemy. You guys are putting pressure on us now. Bah! First death, but we good, right? Okay, my FPS is low. Maybe I just cannot play it on Ultra.
Hey guys, Gus from the future here. There was actually a huge memory leak in the game. That's why the FPS keeps going down. It would only go away if you reset the game. So you'll see my FPS dropping a little bit.
Come on, boys,
do
we have a plan?
Test.
I think I'm gonna have to create my own squad, honestly. That hurt. Alright. I want to try the LMGs. It's one of my favorite things. I missed it. Go, go, go! Holy shit! Oh, fuck. Jesus Christ, this game looks so much better now. Oh my god.
Move up, boys, move up.
Come on, come on. Shit, 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 shit. Come on, my friend. Just what are you doing? Breaking the wall. Jesus, it's actually really, really heavy, the game. That's better, that's better. Let's go, E. Yo, boys, let's go, E. Come on, E. Let's go, Hambo. Oh my god, you're like a juggernaut. I feel like you turn so much more now, too. Come on, I'm the general. Let's go. I'm not. I'm not the general. Personal mine. Oh my god, you can attack sprint now. Dead. Come on, Hambo. Come on. Let's take E. There you go. It's ours. It's ours. We're on E, boys. We're on E. Yo, Hambo, you got some ammo there, man? Holy shit, that's my man right there. How do I get the ammo now? Yo, let's go D defend, and then from there we go B.
Hello, can you guys hear me?
Yeah, hell yeah. Come D, D's falling. Like, I want to see the game at night. It's gonna look so good because the lighting is so much better. Holy shit. Shit, but I'm lagging hard.
I was trying to speak earlier, but I didn't have my microphone set up.
It's okay, Ark Nova. Spawn on me. There's one motherfucker in D. Find him. Find this bitch.
I had to join that bitch. Let's go. Let's go.
Find him. Find him. Find him. Where are you hiding, huh? Oh. How did he get? Oh, fuck. Above. Oh my god, we got destroyed. He's on the second floor from the D. Oh my god. Let's try this helicopter. Do I shoot? Rappelling rope ready. Come on, fly, helicopter. Ah, looks so good. Oh shit. Can I shoot? Oh, I can shoot if I press the right button. Ah, that is sick. Let's go. Let's try. Let's see if we can kill one person. I'm very bad with helicopters. Really bad. That was really bad. Did I just get hit inside the helicopter cockpit? I was not cut out for heli, guys. Sorry. Oh my god, the lag. What is this? I don't understand why it's lagging. Like, my computer is running chill, you know? Fuck, that thing will kill me. Now, I like the changes, but I have a feeling that... Ow, ow. Like, what is this? It's not... My computer's, like, running fine, you know? It's not even hot or anything. It's just lagging for no reason. Damn. Yo, I feel like... Oh shit, I killed someone with a frag. I feel like players have a little too much health right now. Oh my god, I have 125. Well, let's reload our go. Oh my god, look at the detail inside that. BattleBit is back, man. That's crazy. Oh my god. We didn't have that much detail before in the gun. No wonder my FPS is dropping now, but it makes no sense. Oh my god, they need to adjust the bipods though. Let's go, let's go. I'm literally a juggernaut, right? I needed canted sights. Ah, the FPS! Ah, it was 1 HP. Dude, what is this? Like, my memory's fine, my CPU's fine, my GPU is not even stressed about it. But the FPS is just so low. Come on, man, drive me to the back line. Can you do that? Oh my god, I'm in a minigun. Can I shoot? Apparently not. Why not? Ah, there we go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Yo, boy, spawn in the helicopter. Let's go for the back lines, eh? Rope deployed, press F to repel. Jesus. Shit. My god, the FPS, what is this? What is going on with it? Holy shit. Anyone else getting 0 FPS? It's so hard. Jesus, I think I have too much HP, honestly. Trust me on this one. Can I even spawn? I can spawn on anyone? That's a little crazy, right? Yeah, so all the enemies are on the other side. Jesus, I cannot play like that. I think it's something to do with the particles, the way they're doing massive crashes. Oh my god, the door's open. Another one down. Ow! I can't play like this. What is this FPS? Feels a little better. Jesus Christ. It's very unplayable. Holy shit. Anyone else getting 0 FPS? I cannot play like this. Holy shit. And there's something wrong, you know, like if I go to how my computer is processing everything, it's not struggling at all. Support promoted. Cheers. Let me see if I can get the backstab here. Victory, we won. Jesus. Holy shit, this is lagging hard. How did we do? Oh, we did good. 21-6. Holy shit, that's the first match. Oh my god, that was good, right? That was good. The game looks gorgeous. I feel like we have a little too much HP. Especially the heavy guy. Ah, look at this. There am I. One of the top scores of the game, huh? Once they fix the performance issues with the FPS, I think it'll be very good. Let's see if we... Like, look at this performance. There's no way this is my computer, right? There's no way. Although it's saying that I'm dying of RAM. Okay, I'm gonna close my browser, see if it helps a bit. Jesus, what is this? Like, what is going on? Okay, we're back. Holy shit. Let me try putting it on. No. Medium. Fuck. I'm struggling here. think it's something to do with destruction. I think I'm just bugged. I'm not even getting frames per second. I'm getting seconds per frame. Okay, everybody's having this problem, so... Someone says... SPF, not FPS. Jesus Christ! What is this? Holy shit! My friends, this game is complicated. What is this? What is this red shit across the sky? Everything is lagging. Top performance. Oh my god. Oh, if they fix... What is that? How is this guy even playing? I'm stuck. 2 years to push this PowerPoint is wild. It looks pretty though. I think I'm just bugged, right? My control's inverted. What are these guys talking? Okay, let's try to respawn. I think something is bugged here. That's no way, right? No, everything is just trash. That's what I'm saying, like, my computer is fine. 30% CPU, okay, 80% RAM. Okay, my GPU is dying, apparently. But it shouldn't be, because I can run, like, Battlefield 6. I can't play like this, guys. I think I'm gonna restart the game and hope for the best. Alright, now I got better performance, so this thing is good. But the bipod is just like, how do I use it? Jump! There they are, there they are. Come on. Woohoo! Let's go! Good shot, good shots. Come on, come on, come on. What, you know what else? I feel like we have so much HP in this game. Like, if you're playing with the support guy, you're just immense. Immensely powerful. Fuck, I missed that. Like, all I want to do is place the bipod and chill. But, like, I can't. Like, if I go here... Where's the bipod? Look at this shit! Okay, let's try here. Can I put the bipod here? No bipod here. Okay. Yeah, he definitely sucks. Alright, do we see any enemies? Do we see? Some more motherfuckers there. Filho do jogo! Cara, tá gostoso, eu vou te falar, viu? Tipo assim, o jogo tá muito mais bonito, né? O jogo tá muito mais bonito, sem sombra de dúvidas. Mas o TTK tá meio insano. Eu ia matar ele, hein? O TTK tá muito lento, pô. Os bonecos não morrem, cara. Os caras são tão curtos demais. Especialmente o suporte que tem 125 de HP, um negócio assim, né? Oh my god. Where did you guys come from? Why is everybody speaking Portuguese in my chat, huh? Where did you guys come from? What you guys doing here, huh? I'm curious. Toma. Que é outra. Stock, Sunny. Hello, my friends. Am I streaming on the wrong place? Am I streaming on my Brazilian channel? Tô streamando no canal brasileiro? Eu errei? Cadê meus inimigos? Where are my enemies? Come on, my friends. I'll cycle the bow. I'm gonna get a machine gun and I'll try to go from there after this. And we'll see how it goes. But now I'm a little curious. I'm actually gonna open my navigator and see what's going on here. Twitch. Oh, I am on Call Me Gus. Two Brazilian guys. Alright, my friends, let's go, eh? Oh, I can put a bipod here. Can't even move the mouse with the bipod. Where are we getting shot from? We're getting blasted, boys. Hold on.
Got 3 o'clock.
3 o'clock, motherfucker, where are you? Oh, I see. I hit him once.
Can I peek? Can I peek or something like that? What the fuck?
I don't think you can.
We're in the building!
I missed! You're shooting the floor! Holy
Move
shit.
around. We're like in the building.
You're shooting the floor, you're shooting the floor! DEA!
Got him.
I got another one.
Nice.
Ah, I'm getting shot from the sides, shot from the sides.
We're getting flanked.
Did you guys kill both of them?
Yeah.
Nice, good shot to you. Kill the driver.
I got it. RPG. Wait.
Oh my god, but the sniping feeling is really good. I missed just because I said. Out of ammo. Fuck! Fuck you! And the FPS start dropping again. Like there's a problem of accumulation. Like there's some effect that is accumulating something on the cache that is destroying the game. You can clearly tell. Because I restart the game, I have full FPS, and now after dying a couple of times, I lost half my health. So yeah, that's fair. Like 120. It's over. I can't move anymore. The game is bugged. What the see? Holy shit. Yeah, the game has huge memory leak issues. Holy fuck. Don't even bother, man. I can't play. Alt F4. I can't play. I crash. You see that shit? And like, my computer is fine. Visually, the game is much prettier. Weapons, vehicles, and structures have much more detail. Maps are much more beautiful. The lighting is also great with the ray tracing. TTK is way too long. Takes ages to kill a guy, especially if he's using the heavy armor as the support. There's a huge memory leak bug going on right now, so we gotta wait till they fix that to fully enjoy a full match. Night games are way too bright. I understand they were way too dark, but now they're way too bright. That is not really good. And mostly, that's the feedback for the game. Hope they keep pushing it. They did say they were going to rehaul the infantry gameplay, but they just made the TTK immense. From a distance, it takes up to 12 shots to kill someone, even if they're not wearing the heavy armor. That's really not that good. So really, I'm excited to see what they're going to do with it. The game looks visually beautiful, and we'll see how that goes. Thank you everyone who showed up. Thank you Brain Bucket, my friend, the second person to actually talk a lot in my live stream. I appreciate that. I'll see you guys around. See you next time. Thank you, Brain. I guess that's just being an adult in the end of the day, right? Working and paying debts. Shit. I'm working on my cloud engineer certificate. Let's see how does that go. Hopefully well. What the fuck? You have good night, motherfuckers? What is this? What the fuck? Everybody's on the chat looking at shit. Holy fuck. FPS boost. Someone shot the sun down. What the hell just happened here? Ah, that's so pretty though. Look at that. Oh, that's great. That's a clip.